Hi there, Mike here. Welcome to my video on make money on YouTube without showing your face. We're going to briefly look at 5 different options for creating a video without putting your face in it. And then as a bonus, we'll look at another app to help you create these videos. Matter of fact, it's the app I'm using right now. We're going to start here with an app called Vinami, and it's a tool to really simplify and speed up the process of creating a video. The way this one works is you upload a script or you upload a page from your blog, and then the backend AI analyzes the script, breaks it into scenes, and then selects a video clip or an image to be matched with each scene, and it constructs a video out of it. You can have it automatically convert the text to speech for you, or you could record your own voice and upload it, or you could contract someone to record their professional sounding voice and upload it if, for example, English is not your first language. So it's a real time saver and it produces pretty good quality stuff. I've used Vidnami in the past, but now I mostly create videos directly. Here's just a sample of what you can accomplish. I'll play just a couple seconds of it and then pause it.
Do you want something quick and easy for dinner, but don't want to spend all week in the gym working off the calories? Giuseppe's Pizza is now offering a brand new...
Okay, great. That's Vidnami. There are other tools out there you can use. Another one is called Animoto. It does something similar, but it doesn't do the AI behind the scenes of analyzing your script and matching it up with video clip. Okay, next up on the list is using a tool to create your own whiteboard videos. Powtoon is one example. There are others. And you've seen this style of animation. You add your text, use the animation that are part of the tools, use the comic type characters. I pulled out a sample video here. And again, I'll just play a few seconds of it just for you to give you a sense of what it might look like. Okay, and that's just a quick sample. That brings us to the third item on our list, and that is outsourcing to Fiverr or others. Here we've got Fiverr, and I've just put a search on slideshow video creator. And as you see, we've got lots of examples, and what I'd be looking for are something that's close to a 5-star rating, high 4s, and having a number of jobs completed. So 159 here with one job. Okay, you might want to take a try on it, but just one job. Other things to search for: YouTube creator, whiteboard explainer video. Again, you can have people create these whiteboard for you rather than you using something like Powtoon, as I showed you a moment ago. Instead of Fiverr, you could go to Upwork, upwork.com. Here they've got tons and tons of categories to search from. And there's just some samples. Now the hourly rate is higher. I've just pulled out here Olga S, who's charging $40 per hour, and you can look at the portfolio here. Now for the full do-it-yourself route is using something like a PowerPoint. So Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Slides, or in this case LibreOffice, Impress. This particular app is free. Create your slides, add your animation, your transitions, and your audio track. Save it as a video, and then upload to YouTube or Vimeo or whoever. And fifth and last on the list is good old Zoom. So we probably by now, most of us have used Zoom once or twice, but we're not using it as for a group meeting. Instead, what we're using is to record our screen. So we're demonstrating something, highlighting something, just as I am right now in this, and we're capturing the screen, maybe even capturing our webcam and audio with something like Zoom or Screencast-O-Matic. Zoom is great, gives you a nice finished video, but you usually have to clean up that video. You've got to delete the bloopers, trim the front, trim the back, cut out snippets in the middle where you duplicated words and so forth. Okay, so that's Zoom. It's great, but it needs another tool to do video editing. So that brings me to our bonus piece on a tool called Active Presenter, Active Presenter 8 by atomisystems.com. We're using the free version. The free version does more than what we need. We can record with it, full screen, custom size, specify which application you want to record, webcam on or off, audio on or off, preview. But what sets it apart from something like Zoom is the built-in video editor. So once I've made my recording, I can now clean it up right inside of Active Presenter. It's great tool, and I'm using it right now to create this video. Okay, thanks very much for watching this, and stay tuned. I'll be making more videos along this line. And the next one up on the list is how to start affiliate marketing without a website.